Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Thursday, December the 8th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, global stocks have continued to slide. It was a choppy session on Wall Street as investors considered the pace of monetary policy tightening. Markets have also been rattled by comments from top banking executives on the likelihood of recession and lower corporate earnings. The S&P 500 was down for a fifth straight session, and the Nasdaq was dragged lower by Apple as the iPhone shipment target was cut by Morgan Stanley. While Tesla shares are stuck in reverse, the car maker having cut production of its Model Y at its Shanghai plant by more than 20% this month. Healthcare shares bucked the trend and finished higher. Energy fell for the fifth straight day as crude prices continue to fall. And shares in used car retailer Carvana plummeted after Wedbush downgraded the stock to underperform from neutral and slashed its price target to just $1. And United Airlines dipped as the company and unions begin contract negotiations. Delta and American Airlines also fell, as did other travel-related stocks, including cruise line operator Carnival and Norwegian, along with Airbnb and Booking.com. Well, the Bank of Canada has lifted its benchmark lending rate by half a percentage point to its highest level in almost 15 years. The central bank has raised rates 400 basis points in 9 months to 4.25%. But in its latest meeting, it's avoided forward guidance, dropping language that said it would have to hike rates further. In the US, worker productivity rebounded at a faster pace than expected in the third quarter, non-farm productivity rising 0.8% annualised rate, although at a weakening trend, with overall productivity falling 1.3% from a year ago. Economists say the reading pointed to elevated labour costs and inflation staying high. And the yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury note has fallen to an almost 3-month low of 3.42%. US dollar has slipped on the uncertain economic outlook, while China's yuan has firmed as the country loosens its zero COVID rules. And the Aussie dollar has lifted around 1/3% to 67.3 US. Well, the local share market is set to drop at the open, with ASX futures off around 0.1%. The price of oil has fallen to its lowest level this year. Brent crude down close to 3% on bigger than expected increases in US fuel stocks, having surged to almost $140 a barrel in March following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The oil price has been steadily declining as global economic growth slows. And shares in Brazilian iron ore miner Vale have tumbled on forecasts that it would produce about as much iron ore next year as this year, with JP Morgan seeing the revised guidance as marginally negative for the company, but positive for iron ore. Copper, it was up around 1%, as was gold, with the price supported by retreating US dollar and bond yields. And the crypto market is lower, with Bitcoin trading below 17,000 US dollars. Locally today, we get international trade data, as well as payrolls, jobs and wages numbers. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.